Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this wireless backup camera from Auto-Vox. Now they were nice enough to send me this for free so I can make a video showing it to you. So what you're looking at here is the wireless backup camera itself, and then the optional solar charger that is a separate accessory you can purchase, but you don't necessarily have to have it, and we'll get into the details of that in 1 second. So first off, you get the 5-inch screen. It comes with a mount so you can put it on your dash or maybe your windshield. It's got the little guy here, so it's a suction cup, and you push it on and it's stuck on there, right? Have a little antenna on top. On this side, we have an up and down arrow and the menu button for a few of the options. And then here is the camera itself that you would mount to your license plate. It has a built-in battery, and if we take off this cap, you can see there is a micro USB port in there, and then there's a little light that turns red when you are charging it. So inside there is a 3350 milliamp hour battery. So the reason you don't necessarily need the solar panel is because Auto-Vox says that you can get about 45 days of battery life out of this camera before you have to charge it. Now obviously that's extended if you include the solar panel and have it plugged in, so anytime you're out in the sun you're charging the battery, but even without it you get 45 days. And the cool thing is, if you didn't want to get the solar panel, you don't have to remove the camera in order to charge it. There's a little Allen screw here, and you can take it off. You can take the whole camera off, and you can plug it into a USB charger and charge it. But if you have a power bank of some sort, then you can leave this attached to your car, plug in the power bank, leave it overnight or something, and then you're charged and you're done for another 45 days. So really cool design. You have a power button on the top of the camera, and it's really only there, so obviously you can turn it on. But once it's on, you just leave it alone. If you aren't going to be using the vehicle for a month or more, you can hit that button to turn it off to preserve the battery. Now another cool feature is this actually rotates. So you can change the angle of the camera once you have it mounted. So you have that adjustment there. Now going back to the screen, it'll plug into a 12-volt socket, like a cigarette lighter socket, and you also get a USB port on the back side so you can still use it to charge your phone or what have you. This end matches the end on the cable coming off your screen, and that's how you turn it on. You do have a couple of options when mounting the camera. I think the best way is mounting it with the bolts that hold your license plate and mounting the bracket that way. But if for any reason you don't want to do that or can't do that, it also comes with double-sided tape, so you can just press it on. It does come with that little Allen wrench if you have to take the camera off. Now as we look at the solar panel, it's actually a really cool design. So here's your little panel, and the end, you can see it matches that end we just saw on the camera. So it plugs right in there. And it comes with this bracket. So the bracket has a little post there with the two holes, and you can see that hole there. So it just sits like so. It comes with these two screws to attach the bracket, and then once you have it all together, just slap it over the top with the solar panel on it like so. So all one unit. So we need to get this installed on the vehicle so I can show you guys the screen and we can test it out. First I want to get it charged, so I'm going to charge it in the house here, give it a couple hours, and then we'll go install it. We got the camera installed. I have my little license plate obstruction, which I don't really know why people do it, but they do, so there it is. Anyway, we got the solar panel aimed straight outward. We have the camera that we can rotate, so we might have to adjust that a little bit. It's got the power button. We can turn it on. See, the light came on. That's good. You can just see, just have it screwed in there with their bracket behind the plate. Let's get the other side plugged in. Kind of a temporary installation for the Corvette, but you see we got her plugged into the cigarette lighter. I got the screen just sitting in the pop holder. Alright. Red light on, got it plugged in. Oh man, there it is. We're backing up. That's pretty cool. So we show a full charged battery. It says channel 1. Well, that's a nice picture too. Let's see, what do we do here? Well, we don't have to pair. We already did that. So we can flip it upside down or mirror it if we have to. Normal. Alright, yeah, that's normal. That's what it should look like back there. Okay, good. Reversing time. We'll do 90 seconds. Why not? Doesn't hurt. I like that we got the backup lines. That's pretty cool. We had it thrown up on the dash like that. Alright, well, I guess we got to go for a spin and check it out. Alright, time to back up. Let's see if I can hold the camera and do this all at once. Here's our view at night. You can see when I hit the brake lights. Not much to see back there, right? So there it is, the Auto-Vox backup camera, wireless with the little extra solar guy. Thanks for watching.